I don't even have it up anymore. Hold on a sec. Hi guys, this is Simon, Trade and Perform Coaching. Quick homework review on a trade we just completed in the room. I need to find the disclaimer really quick. There we go. Okay, this basically says that this webinar is for educational purposes only. Trading in futures and options and currency has large potential rewards, but also large potential risks. Do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. This is not a solicitation to buy or sell equities, futures, or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve the profits or losses similar to those discussed in this channel. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. Absolutely consult your registered financial advisor and absolutely follow your risk trading plan before ever investing or trading in any financial instrument. Okay, got through that. Nice job, Ian. Nice job. So what we're covering here is one very specific trade. Okay, so we have a setup here where the retrace into the 50 was a high odds. This is basically flat out a break of IB high. It's a very textbook trade. We break IB high. We had a 50-60 retrace into the mid, right? So most of the guys in the room took it right as we came into the 50-60. Then we're looking at the tick divergence here, right? If you see, we had the strongest tick, strongest push on that first bar into the 50, failure to reach 62. Again, that's from in my book. Picture perfect. What are the other pieces of evidence we had? So first, the trade started to look shaky because you had a conflict of being stuck between ES Globex high and the 50-60. So we spent 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 minutes. On the 35th minute, we pushed to a one tick on the low, right? So we had a new low, but an inability to push below on the tick or even match the low tick, right? So it was a heavy push and no ability to break that low on that tick. Immediate responsive buyers. Also in that period, right, while ES, which has been the weaker over the last couple of weeks, has been weaker between NQ and ES. If you look at NQ at the same time, NQ failed to even make it below its last swing low. So here, I would call this the last push of energy. We were able to break below that last push of energy for a break below swing low. It made ES look a little shakier, but NQ kept on trucking just fine. It didn't even break its last push, much less its major swing. And neither market got back to its opening print, 2408.50 in ES, 57.53 3/4 on NQ. Okay, and finally, after that 25th minute, this is exactly what I'm discussing when I mention we consolidate at the top third of the range for 15, 20 minutes in an area. These are hard to get to break down if they don't break down quickly. Had it broken down in the first 5, 10 minutes and we just flushed this area, that would have made sense. But what happens is, right, you got to get in the mind of your competitor. Your competitors say, hey, we're below Globex low. We backside tested into this area multiple times. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. We were unable to break above. So they finally come back, re-push onto low, one tick to low once more. So you have a one tick here. You have another one tick right here. This one tick was on a pretty nasty sell bar in here from the broader market on the S&P, on the NYSE. Unable to hold. When you look at where this bar closed, it closed back in. Even though it had a heavy tick, closed back in equal to the lowest prior close in this series of closes at this bar. We held the 62, shorts are trapped, push out, and that's your 2-point rotation up for your scale all the way up to 14. So again, the quality's there. We had a decent rotation from 1650 all the way down to 11. We've had a hard time getting the proper rotation the last couple of days. That's a 6-point rotation, and within the context of the current market, that's an appropriate setup. We had a long consolidation through here where they attempted to break to the downside multiple times and failed, right? And you had a good psychological reason to trap shorts, i.e. below Globex low. And then your last tell was when we pushed down to a new low here on ES, this took place at That's annoying. This took place at 11:15. 11:15's right here. You'll notice we pushed nowhere near the lows on NQ. So we had divergence between NQ, divergence between the broader market and the S&P 500, and one ticks the low, failure to close behind the 62. We got into a battle here, and the longs have won this battle, and you're in the context of a bull market, so obviously edge to the buyers. So anyways, that's the setup, guys. That's what we're looking for in the future. Executed properly, that's payday. And it looks like, I think, everyone got paid on that. So nice job, guys. Congratulations. And now what the expectation would be is that we come back and retest the 24.16 on a stretch and possibly push to new highs for the day. So anyways, guys, that is it. That's that's 5 minutes. I think that's the fastest I've ever done. And if anyone would like a 5-day pass to come see what we do in the room on a regular basis and how we extract money, send me an email from tradeandperform@gmail.com. Have a great day, guys. This recording is done.